Hey AI fam! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following our journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, you know we've covered some seriously cutting-edge stuff. But here's the thing about AI. No matter how advanced the models get, there's one foundational, absolutely critical element that underpins everything we do: data. Think about it. You've got an incredible AI model, but what do you feed it? Raw, messy, often unstructured data. Before your fancy algorithms can even begin to learn, that data needs to be cleaned, transformed, analyzed, and made ready. And that, my friends, is where our hero for today steps in: Pandas. So, what exactly is Pandas? At its core, Pandas is a powerful, open-source Python library designed specifically for data manipulation and analysis. It's built on top of NumPy, so it's super fast, and it introduces two incredibly useful data structures: the series and, more importantly for us, the DataFrame. Imagine your data not as a jumbled mess, but as a perfectly organized spreadsheet or a database table, right within your Python environment. That's a DataFrame. It's got rows, columns, and even labels for both, making it incredibly intuitive to work with structured data. And this isn't just for statisticians or data analysts. If you're building a machine learning model, you'll be using Pandas to load your datasets, inspect them for missing values, engineer new features, and prepare them for training. It's the pre-processing powerhouse. Let's look at some specific superpowers of Pandas that will directly impact your AI projects. 1. Data loading and inspection. Ever spent ages figuring out what's even in your dataset? Pandas makes it a breeze. One line to load a CSV, another to peek at the first few rows, and df.info gives you a quick summary of data types and non-null values, essential for that initial data exploration. 2. Handling missing data. Missing values are the bane of any AI project. Pandas provides elegant ways to detect them and then either drop rows or columns with missing data, or fill them in using various strategies. No more broken models because of a few nans. 3. Data cleaning and transformation. Need to select specific columns for your features? Easy. Want to create new features by combining existing ones? Pandas handles it gracefully. This is where you transform raw data into the meaningful inputs your models crave. 4. Grouping and aggregation. Feature engineering. Hint: this is huge for feature engineering. Imagine you have customer data and you want to calculate the average purchase for each customer segment. Group by allows you to summarize data based on categories, creating powerful new features for your models. 5. Merging and joining data frames. Often, your data isn't in one neat file. You might have customer demographics in one file and their transaction history in another. Pandas lets you combine these disparate datasets using merge or join functions, just like you would in a database. Crucial for building comprehensive datasets. So, where does Pandas fit into your AI workflow specifically? Before training, it's your primary tool for data loading, cleaning, feature engineering, and splitting your data into training, validation, and test sets. During experimentation, quickly prototyping new features, analyzing model errors based on data characteristics. After deployment, for monitoring incoming data quality, preparing new batches of data for inference. So, whether you're deep into reinforcement learning, fine-tuning an LLM, or building a classic classification model, understanding Pandas isn't just a nice-to-have, it's an absolute must-have. Your challenge for this week: grab a public dataset from Kaggle or UCI, fire up a Jupyter notebook, and start playing with Pandas. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments: what's your biggest data challenge in AI, and how do you think Pandas could help?